guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, I know this is my first video, but then it just feels so good to finally see that I know that people are going to watch it, like it's going to be on YouTube. Anyways, this is a travel vlog. Ignore my state right now because I'm sick. I have like a sore throat and a cold. So yes, that's what I was asking for, strepsil, duh. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, this is a travel vlog. I'm spacing it into two, so this is going to be a travel vlog. Then my next video will probably be like vacation vlog stuff. Yeah, I feel like if I continue talking, I'm going to talk too much. Let's just get into the video, please. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Thursday, 15th August, and we are going to Egypt today. I'm so excited. And we're going to be going to the airport by like 12 p.m. So yeah, you guys, if I ever do nails again, make I actually bend, because tell me why I was trying to do like pull back one of my nails, because you know you removed, right? And I tried to put the nail glue and it went all over my fingers. Just feel like today is really off to a bad start, and I'm not superstitious, but I'm a little stitious. And I also watched Final Destination the day before yesterday, so I'm just like, what if all of these are signs that we should just stay at home? God forbid, please, we learn safely. Amen. Okay, so this is basically us on the road on our way to the airport. So I finally got to the airport, and the new terminal is actually so nice, you guys. It was my first time there and I was pleasantly surprised. Okay, you guys, hi. So basically we have crossed like where they check our stuff, and they wanted to take my basketball because they said I can't take it on the plane unless I deflate it, and we're trying to deflate it, wasn't working, and everybody was like, no, tell me you have to leave your basketball. They told my mom to go to like the counter place where we checked in our bags to see if the airline can take it on the plane, and I'm hoping my mom has gone now. I'm crossing my fingers that they allow, because my friend so you may say hi. Guys, I'm ready done with today. Like, look how what happened to my shirt, because we're trying to use a pen to open the basketball. So look how what happened to my shirt. Wow. Okay. Hi guys, so we just came to a lounge called Lounge 4. It's called Lounge 4. Please, I beg, excuse my voice, I have a cold. Anyways, I had to move the audio because it was too noisy. You guys, is it just me that I hate when I watch a YouTube video or a vlog and then they don't show like the food like very well? Like they just show the scraps and like little parts of it. Like I want to see the food. I came here for the food. Like, can you show me the food? Anyway, they had like good food here. They had wings, they had yam, they had ofada rice, which I really loved, and they had like bread and snacks and drinks. So yeah, it was really nice. I know going to ofada cake. Okay. They had ofada rice, and I was so happy because I thought that I won't be able to eat ofada rice for a long time. I have ofada rice, and I also got like chicken and sausage roll, and I'm going to go back obviously, but I said okay, let me not be too greedy. Let me just take something. I got veggie mojito shrimps, which is the best shrimps, and I got this yogurt because I love ofada rice. Okay guys, I got more sausage roll and I got bread. Also, you guys, one thing about me is that I like to do word search in my free time. Like, I know that's weird, but it's just so calm and relaxing and fun to do. Like, anything that involves words, whether it's Wordle or word search or crossword, anything, that involves words just counts me in. And they also found out that airplanes carry, like the same airplanes that we travel in also carry our check-in boxes. Like, I thought we check in the boxes to another plane, so like they get to our destination with another plane, not the plane that we used to travel. But apparently it goes on the same plane. I did not know that. Guys, we're on the plane and I'm so annoyed because I wanted to sit either window or aisle, and I have to sit down in the middle. The middle crowd. So you guys, it's so crazy how the first thing I do when I get on the plane is to scroll through the movies, even though I won't watch a single one because I have too much anxiety for that. So I decided to do like some crossword, and then for the minute of flight, I was literally just staring at the plane like something. And they brought like crackers and juice, and I got apple juice. I don't know, these crackers, oh no, pretzels, sorry, the pretzels they were nasty. I couldn't even finish. I gave it to my sister, and then I charged my phone. And for people who know me, you already know that I love charging my phone. I have to charge my phone like literally every second, or I'll get anxiety. So I had to charge my phone, and then they finally brought our food, and they served us jollof rice. Well, an attempt at jollof rice, because it didn't really taste like jollof rice. The plantain was okay, because I don't think you can really go wrong with plantain. So yeah, this was me trying it. It was just there. It wasn't great. It was good for airplane food, but it wasn't great. I like it. I knew before you, whatever. Actually, no, I knew before you. Show you. This is my man. My man. Bye. Okay, so I got the chicken and rice, obviously, and my sister got the pasta. So I tried her own, and it was okay. Like, it wasn't great, but it tasted weirdly sweet, like they added barbecue sauce or like sugar or something, and I hate foods that taste like that, so it wasn't even nice. It just tasted weird to me. Okay, so I dropped my apple juice, and then I ate this bread like thing. Like, I don't know what it's called, but I just know that it was so bland. So I said, okay, you know what, let me try something new. So I decided to dip it in my apple juice because I just wanted to have a little more flavor, right? And it was well, you guys can tell from my face how it was. But yes, I'll definitely never try that again. But I just ate the part of the bread that did not that did not have the juice, but it still tasted horrible. So I just gave up, yeah. I also listened to some soundtracks like Evita, I Look to You, Hamilton, and The Greatest Showman. Then it was almost time for us to land. And you guys, look at the sunlight here. Like, look at how good it is. And I could have taken some very good pictures and videos, but my sister was hogging all the sun because she was in the window seat, which I wanted to be in. But whatever. You guys, my back hurts so bad. And this is every time I sneeze, my back hurts. So it hurts to sneeze. Like it already hurts to sneeze, but it hurts even while landing. So we went to a lounge called lmao, and then we had to brush our teeth first. So this was me brushing my teeth. I don't know why I was laughing, but I think I just found it so funny that I was videoing myself brushing my teeth. And then this was the food. We couldn't stay long because we were rushing. Our flight was literally like 10 or 20 minutes. So I just tried to take a video quickly, and then I got this. So this was us on the plane on our way to Egypt. Just like on the last flight, I was literally just watching the plane move. Then I got my breakfast because it was morning, and it was literally just sausages and eggs, and it was okay. It was better than the jollof rice for sure. Then I drank my apple juice, and I had this custard thing or yogurt. I don't even know what it was, but it tasted like yogurt and custard at the same time, and it was nice. I mean, it was okay. So I also got fruit salad, and I said, okay, let me put the yogurt or custard thing on top of the fruit salad, and it was actually good. That's what made me think it was yogurt, because it tasted good with the fruits. Then after, I literally just listened to Hamilton the entire flight. So we finally got to Egypt, and then this is the airport. It was okay. It looked nice, sha. Then we got our bags, and then we started going to our hotel. And the thing is that the driver actually took us to the wrong hotel at first. And I was like, wait, though. This is not how it looked like on the internet. What was going on? Did you get scammed? But then they finally took us to the right hotel, and it looked really nice. Guys, I haven't had my bath in almost 24 hours. I feel so dirty, and that's the first thing I'm going to do when I get to Europe. I'm going to have my bath. Okay. You guys, this room is actually kind of big. They have the coffee station. Do you know this is giving me PTSD from when I worked at Daddy's office, Oppie. It's giving me PTSD from when I worked at Daddy's office, because I was doing, like, she gave me this work to do that I should write everything that's meant to be in the hotel room, and then I had to do so many things with that, like, basis that presentation I made, and it was so stressful. Okay, no one listens to me. I should kill myself. Fine. Bye. Wow. Okay, so you guys, that's the travel vlog. I try to make it as detailed as possible because I hate when I search up travel vlogs on YouTube and they're like 5 minutes or 7 minutes and they don't show us. It's not even about it being short. Like, show us a lot in that short amount of time. Do you get? Don't show us like just the scraps. I want to see everything you did. Like, I want to live vicariously through you. Do you get? And I hope that you guys were able to live vicariously through me by watching this vlog, because that's what I was trying to achieve. The next video will probably be the vacation vlog. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Hi. I'm ready.